This is the 173rd Taiku. Very interesting that it's 173 because 173 is connected to two things that are connected to today. This Taiku, although it's not the 19th of Kislev right now, it was for the 19th of Kislev. And 173 is the numerical value of the name Vitalik Buterin, who is the founder, CEO, or the main guy of Ethereum. And Ethereum, in my system, is always traded on Tuesday. It's always dealt with on Tuesday. And today it happens to be Tuesday. But it's also the numerical value of Rabbi Reuven Wolf, or just Reuven Wolf. Let's see. Is it Rabbi Reuven or Reuven Wolf? It's also connected to this day. One or the other. Either Rabbi Reuven Wolf or Reuven Wolf. It's one or the other. But he is a big proponent of Chabad Hasidus and Hasidus in general, with different stories of tzaddikim, Hasidim, things like that. But for sure, he always has something to say when it comes to these things, like Yutes Kislev or Chavdal Tevis, Yud Shvat, etc. So I'd be curious to see what he has today. But that number 173 is trending today quite strongly, and the icing on the cake is that the Taiku of today, which Taiku means that we don't get an answer until the Messiah comes. So it's right in line with that. So this 173rd Taiku in the Babylonian Talmud appears in Tractate Batra, page 132b, with the words Boy Rabba Bivari Heyav Mirim Shchiv Mira Hu Diod Lesle Bekama Chala Aval Bivari Seven Hadagoni Oy Dilma Hashtami Lele Lesle Taiku. Rava raises a dilemma. In the case of a healthy person, what's the halacha? Do we say that his wife loses her right to receive payment of her marriage contract only in the case of a person on his deathbed, as she knew that he had no other property and nevertheless waived payment of the marriage contract? But in the case of a healthy person, she might have reasoned that he will then acquire other property from which she will be able to collect payment of her marriage contract, and that is why she accepted the distribution of the property. If so, she did not waive her right to receive payment of her marriage contract. Or perhaps, should it be reasoned that since in any event he now has no other property, her acceptance should be interpreted as waiving her right? The Gemara concludes, the dilemma shall stand unresolved until the coming of Messiah, the son of David.